Does God favor the light? Does God favor or is partial towards the light against the dark? No. There is a beautiful story that I want to share from Hindu mythology. Once all the Devtas and the Brahma, they became so frustrated and annoyed with the Rakshasas, with the dark entities, with the dark ones, the one who are connected to the lower self, or one who are connected to the ego. They become so frustrated and annoyed by them that they decided that we will have a fire ritual, we will have a yag, we will have a havan, and completely eliminate the dark ones, the darker entities from the planet. But then they are tricked by Shiva. Shiva intervenes, and they are tricked by Shiva into not successfully completing that yagya. And it's actually a very interesting story. But the message here is that that Shiva is not partial, and he never intervenes. He lets the dark ones also play, he lets the light ones also play, he allows the play of the light and the dark so that they both could reach. He never closes the opportunity for the light and the dark. He wants both of them to reach for the truth. That is why he lets it play. He doesn't intervene. Okay, but yes, definitely when the judgment day comes, he has to perform his karma as a god, right? So he gives the lessons to the dark ones. Otherwise they will keep on going on. There comes a time when there comes a time, and that time is it's called judgment day, or there are various names for it in different religions, I guess. So then comes a point when you can call it a judgment day or something. So when God has to perform his karma, and for example, you have two children, right? One is on the path of dharma and one is on the path of adharma, right? So if you don't scold that child of yours who's on the path of adharma, you don't teach him the lessons, he will keep on doing that, and he comes to a point where that he has made himself into like that. He is this, right? कहते ना पाप का घड़ा भर जाना, right? He has come into that point now where the judgment day comes, and now he has to be given lessons, right? And that is also a form of love from Shiva, right? And so yeah, he never favors anyone. God performs his karma.